going to look here at how to tack an F-18 style cat in a high wind. The main objective of the tack being to get through the wind and the boat back up to speed on the new tack as quickly as possible. So we're going to break it down. There are of course many ways that we could do this depending on your level of ability and confidence. You could come in off the trapeze before initiating the tack, or stay out as shown here if you are feeling quite confident. The key to a good tack in a high wind is what you do with the main sheet. In able to sheet in hard, you will have to head up to control the power. So we're going into the tack, we're going to sheet in very hard, keeping the main sheet out of the cleat. Often shorten the trapeze to make it easier to go out the next time. The sheet is in the stick hand, so it automatically sheets out as we come in. And then, personally, I always put a foot under the toe strap to make sure there's no unwanted man overboard business when going back out on the trapeze. Here we go from the mast view. You can see how quickly the crew is out on the trapeze there. Giving the helm time to get under the toe strap for safety, and then sheeting in once we're established in this case. Two ways of exiting the tack, depending on the wind strength. One might be to sheet in first and then move out onto the trapeze, or in a higher wind when you know that you're definitely going to need to be trapezing as soon as possible, getting out first and then sheeting in once out on the trapeze, where you have a better control over the boat.